Hi, I'm Elvin Rejimone, UR15CS202, and this is my 7th lab experiment of Web Technology Lab, and this we'll be starting with PHP. So in PHP, we're going to take a look at how you post from one page to another, you move from one page to another, write logics on how according to the value you enter you can go to the next page with the value or without the value. Now all these basic things we're doing with PHP. So now this is the first page, so let me show you the code for the first page. It's pretty simple, just name, this is a demo, and when this page reloads, this form action is hashed. So what happens is when the page is submitted, it actually reloads back to the same page. Now post has values. Now if the name has been posted, so the name, it will just say the just say welcome and the name, and then you can go to the next page. So let's see the code program. Type in my name, Elvin. So I press enter, welcome. So now we go to the next page. Now hello login. Now just name an email, Elvin at mail.com. Okay, now the second page was also simple, Elvin at mail.com. I just give if any elvinmail.com, then header, location, experiment 72.php. so it goes to this page if it's correct. Now this page is another form where there is action hashed, so it comes to the same page, and we're just selecting the colors from an option value. So now in the session, if the color is posted, then we take the value as a session variable, and then we just if the button is clicked, then echo you have selected, then the value value of the color. So then link to the next page. So this page, I'm clicking blue and get selected values, and I click, so we selected blue, and the next page. So in the next page, languages, select any language. It's radio also as well, so I'm selecting English. You selected English, so this also is coming the same way. We're just taking the post variable after the submit button is clicked, so it's just the same thing. And the next page is languages. You click all the three or any one. It's the checkbox. No checkbox. Now same value. Now how many we take it? Post checklist, session checklist. So for each of checklist, as a variable called selected, echo, then selected. So now this will output whatever values have been entered, like this. Now there is a button called click here for summary. Now this button leads to experiment 75.php. so now this page actually has all the values, PHP session start, end. So whatever values we have now added as session variables, now the session is still on, so whatever values are added as a session variable, it's gonna come here. So we can just call each session variable. That's why we made a session. We made all of these variables from the first experiment as session variables, not as just normal variables. We first made session variables, then we copied it with normal variables to display it. So the reason why is because it is we did that because we're gonna be using that variable in the last page to show this that variable in the last page without even posting it directly from all the pages. So with the session variable, we are passing it here and just outputting the values. Let's see the answer. Get some money. So email, all the variables that we sessioned are all displayed right here. So this is all about my lab experiment of 7th lab experiment. I hope I've made this functioning and working pretty clear. Thank you.